Did you know? Rapid Set products are known for their speed, strength, and sustainability. Rapid Set gains structural strength in approximately 1 hour, allowing projects to reopen quickly and significantly reducing downtime and overall costs. Production of Rapid Set emits far less CO2 than Portland cement due to its unique chemistry and lower processing temperatures. The combination of high durability and environmentally friendly cement creates a very sustainable material. Did you know? Rapid Set technology extends the life of concrete structures. Rapid Set cement extends the life cycle of a project by significantly reducing shrinkage, cracking, and porosity, leading to more durable and sustainable structures. Did you know? Type K shrinkage-compensating cement can be used to virtually eliminate cracking. Unlike traditional concrete, Type K cement is formulated to expand slightly as it cures, offsetting the natural shrinkage that leads to cracking, curling, and joint failures. Did you know? Rapid Set cement products are used in marine environments where corrosion is a major concern. Rapid Set is ideal for use in ports, seawalls, and underwater structures, providing long-term durability in harsh, high-salinity conditions. Did you know? CTS products have been used on some of the world's most iconic structures. CTS products have been used in projects like the Pentagon, the Lincoln Tunnel, the San Francisco-Oakland Bay Bridge, and the Hoover Dam Bypass. Did you know? Rapid Set was used to rebuild the Santa Monica Freeway in record time. Rapid Set cement was used in the emergency rebuilding of the Santa Monica Freeway bridges after the 1994 Northridge earthquake, significantly reducing downtime and getting traffic flowing again quickly. Did you know? Type K shrinkage-compensating cement can improve structural durability in extreme environments. Its unique chemistry helps concrete withstand thermal expansion, shrinkage, and long-term stress, making it ideal for projects in challenging climates and high-stress environments. Did you know? CTS products are designed to solve real-world problems. From minimizing shrinkage cracks to reducing downtime on critical repairs, CTS products have been engineered to address the toughest challenges in construction and infrastructure projects.